I'm gonna do a clothing haul. Everything in this video is from Brandy Melville. This is not all from one trip. I went multiple times. And I got some things that I want to show you because people enjoy these and I enjoy these. And I'm not trying to brag, okay? This is for back to school. And I just really enjoy Brandy Melville clothes because I think they're cute and stylish and trendy. So we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna do the pants from Brandy Melville first. The first pants I got were these corduroy pants. They're like navy blue and they're just corduroy, and I think they're really cute if you pair it with like a white tank top. Yeah, they look like that and super cute. Next, I have these denim mom jeans. Well, of course they're denim, but I have these mom jeans. They have the like 4 buttons that button up. Just some nice basic mom jeans. We love that. These pants I think are my favorite. They're just really trendy actually, which I like, and they're really cute and they look pretty big, but it's just these black cargo pants. They have a bunch of pockets in the back and on the sides, and they're really cute. Let's just see how many times I say cute. The next pants I have are just these basic black pants. Like, they're not really jeans. I don't really know what you call this, like just like pants. You know, they're just pants. But yeah, they're just black. They're super cute. Again, I said cute. I don't know, they're really good to just throw on with like a t-shirt and you're really good to go. And yeah, with like a belt. These are like the same. They're just navy blue. Also good to throw on with a belt. I think it's really cute. Speaking of belts, I got this black like buckle one. I got this one, and then the basic chain one, which I think is really trendy and like vintage. I don't know. Nah. So now we're gonna go to tops. So I got this green top I got from Brandy Melville, and also this jacket is also from Brandy Melville. It has these like pockets and a hood, and it's really soft and comfortable, and it's good to just throw on. More tank tops because I love tank tops. This one's really cute. It has the angel on it. I'm sure you've seen it before. Yeah, super cute. Good to pair with the pants. Like I said, the next one I got was this like heart flame one. I really don't know, but it looks like this, and it's like cut at the bottom, which I don't know why like you would do that, but I mean style. And then the last tank top, the last white tank top I got was the basic butterfly one. This patch is really cute. I want to put it on my backpack. Anyways, it looks like this. It's also cut at the bottom, and I really like it. So the next tank top I have is just a black one, and it has like these like frill or whatever. I don't know. It's just black, basic. The next shirt I got was a black t-shirt. It's just tight, fits like fitting, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it's just black. And this is cute with the jeans. And then I got another cropped top. Well, I got a crop top. Looks like this. Really cute, really vibing with it, you know. Yeah, it's like navy blue, yellow, and white. And again, cute with the jeans. The last shirt I got was this. Oh, still has the tab on it. Anyways, it's this like baseball tee. It's light blue on the sleeves and the collar. I pair this with the cargo pants. It's really cute because it goes with like the tight and then the loose, which looks really good. I just hit myself. Yeah. The last thing I got from Brandy Melville was this like pullover. It says Cape Cod on the sleeve and on the like little patch, and the back is just the same color. And it's super soft, good to throw over, nice to have. You can sleep in it, you can go to school in it. So yeah, that's all I got from Brandy Melville. Anyways, I have homework to do, which is due tomorrow, and I didn't do it or start it, so I'm going to do that right now. Relatable. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, you know. But yeah, that's it. So, peace.